Hitbot electric suction cup ESC-70. The suction force is 10 to 50 Newton. Fast suction and discharge. Intelligent detection of suctions and drops. Safe and reliable in use. Hitbot ESC-70. There are 1 to 4 suction cups can be installed. Quick changeover is possible according to the size of the clamped item. With suction and drop detection functions, ensure that the suction cups can be safely sucked and released. It only needs to be connected to the power supply to work. The suction force is 10 to 50 Newton and can be adjusted. The biggest feature is easy integration and low maintenance cost. The controller is built into the product, and the protection level is IP20. It works well in tight spaces. The Hitbot ESC-70 supports I/O control over the Modbus control box, equipped with special software. The recommended suction weight is 1 kg or less. Release speed of 0.3 seconds. It completes the assigned task quickly and accurately.